It's 6:45, April the 3rd, 2022. 14 months, 60 videos, hundreds, probably thousands of hours gone into getting to this point. That means it must be time for the Curborough MG Car Club Speed Series Round 1. A short run up the road then to Curborough, not far from home, so a mix of excitement and nervous energy this morning. So let's go see what Curborough's got to offer today. Here then on a very cold looking Curborough, another 10 degrees would be rather nice right now, but more importantly there's the tea and bacon butty place. Smart. Ten-second footage.
Go on, Lon.
He's doing well, isn't he? Am I like...
Still in that place.
So just to remind all competitors, this will be the last timed session. The meeting will conclude after this session.
So after a long day at Curborough, we've had frost, we've had sunshine, we nearly had rain over the lunchtime break. We come to the end of the day. Great news, had some good times through the day, the cars run well, and ultimately that's ended in a class win result. So looking forward now to the next session at Goodwood in a few weeks' time, and let's hope we can repeat that kind of performance. So overall, a fantastic day of motorsport. Thanks to Ian, Roy and Ted for making me feel so welcome as part of the MG Car Club Speed Series. Great meeting you guys, great racing with you guys. Looking forward to more in the future. So as we come to the end of our time at Curborough, we're going to get the car back in the garage, give it a good once over, check the oil and make sure we're ready for the next event. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the journey. 60 videos to get here, 14 months of hard work, but overall a fantastic day and plenty more to come.